Welcome to Long Beach, California. Today is a world premiere and we're taking a closer look on the Mercedes-Benz Tourrider Premium. Welcome on board the brand new Mercedes-Benz Tourrider. I'm now sitting behind the steering wheel of this coach and this looks very high-end. It looks just like the Turismo or the Setra that we have back in Europe, and this is very nice driver compartment. And we've seen a lot of driver compartments in the US and they look a little bit old-fashioned, so I think that this is a big step up and an upgrade for American bus drivers for the future. So let's talk a little bit about the view from here. We have a split front screen, which we don't see back in Europe, but this is very efficient. If you will get a crack in this screen, you can replace only one of the sides and not both of them. And actually, this coach makes it optional to make a whole complete glass or to make it splitted like we have here in this coach. I actually have 8 mirrors here. Down here I have a big standing mirror with a wide angle on top, and here we have a hanging mirror with a big mirror and also a wide angle. We have mirrors everywhere. We don't see this in Europe. This is really great. So the visibility here is super good. The only thing I'm afraid of is that I might get a little blind zone to my right since there is so many mirrors covering my right side, but I don't think that will be a very big problem. To my left here, we have a great big window. You can open it completely up and it's electrical. This is a really good compartment to work with. Here we have a retarder stick on my right, and here to the right in Europe we have the transmission. We don't have it here. Here we have it on the dashboard. This is the Allison 6-speed automatic gearbox, and that works very well with the OM 471 engine that's placed in this coach. I'm very comfortably seated in my seat, but I wish I had more space behind my back. In the European versions, we have a lot more space to work with. Here, I'm all the way back in the back wall, but this is probably optional. I think and hope for the drivers that you can make a bigger compartment here. If I want to adjust the steering wheel, I have the button on the left. I can adjust it down and up and quite a lot. This is very good. Other competitors here in the US doesn't have that much space to work on, so this is super duper good. We have a panel here for the air conditioning system that's actually picked up from the Sprinter. So they use different components both from the minibuses and from the trucks to make this coach as good and reliable as possible. And to my right here, we see something that we don't see in Europe. It's a big handle here where people can hold on to the railing. But for me, I think it's a little bit in the way. And if I'm going to detach my seatbelt and get out, this will be in the way. But this is for security reasons, so people can actually go and hold on to something while they're going up and down the stairs. But now let's take this world premiere Tourrider for a ride, and let's hand over the wheel to one of our professional bus drivers here in Mercedes-Benz America.
Welcome aboard the world premiere of the Mercedes-Benz Tourrider, specifically built for the North American market. My name is Zane Gray, and I'm the Director of Marketing for Daimler Coaches North America. This coach was outfitted with the OM 471 Mercedes-Benz engine, tied to the B500 Allison transmission. This coach is also designed with both a retarder or braking system on the engine and transmission. This coach is outfitted with 56 passenger seating up to 60 passenger. We also have an optional glass rooftop. This glass rooftop runs almost the entire span of the center aisle of the bus. We have options for 110 volt plugs, USBs, cup holders, magazine nets, and much more options to make your passengers comfortable. Other options we have for the seating, we have a 2-in-1 style seating that we can design for each and every operator. On this coach, we were able to utilize our family of parts and safety items that have been proven in the market for many years. On the dash here, we actually were able to utilize the Freightliner style buttons that has been in the trucks for many years. We also have the AC control that matches what a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter would have. On the front of the dash here as a driver, I have a full 9-inch screen showing me both my left and right side if I utilize my blinkers, or if I hit driver reverse, we have cameras there as well to give the driver full view front and behind. Few of the items we would talk through on this coach are safety items. As a driver, I have full access to most all of my items I would need to access right here on my multifunction steering wheel. Some of the other safety items are the adaptive cruise control. In this adaptive cruise control, I can set my distance, and this bus will keep me moving from 5 miles an hour on up. On this coach, we also have automatic high and low beam lights. We have automatic windshield wipers and full LED integrated headlights. One of the great features on this coach is the new side guard assist. This side guard assist protects me 12 feet out and all the way down the coach. On this coach, for long haul situations, we also have the attention assist. This system is reading 40 different parameters of what the driver is doing once he starts the coach. Once these parameters get outside of the norm, the coach will automatically alert the driver to take a break. So as a driver, we have the electronic braking system now, and this electronic braking system, no matter if you're fully loaded or if you're empty, the pressure on that brake is the same, so it truly has a connectivity to the road. It feels like you're driving a car. On my seat, I have the options for a heated and ventilated seat. Again, more comfort for the driver. We have both the premium and the comfort cockpits, so the operator can customize the coach to fit their needs. We have an all-new redesigned Eberspacher HVAC system. The system has a high flow AC and is also paired with HEPA filters. One of the design features we put on that was the ability to not only change your filters inside the coach, but also from outside. So you can take those dirty filters right through the roof and never bring them inside your coach. In our restroom in the rear, one of the neat features about this restroom is you have the ability to utilize a secondary fill tank. This fill tank gives you the possibility to empty and refill your toilet up to 3 times without stopping.
Thank you so much for watching the video here today, and if you like what you see, please click on the button here. It's called subscribe, and then you will see all the future videos from Bussmagasinet in the future. Take care and drive safe.